What's good, everybody? Yeah, well, y'all check out this 1980s probably era box fan. It's got 3 aluminum blades. Watch. We just cleaned this fan yesterday. It was super filthy. I didn't even know what color this fan was, did we? And it turned out to be really dirty, but I cleaned it last night. Took it all apart, wiped it all down as best as I could. Any discolorations on it now are rust. But yeah, it actually runs nice and quiet. It was rattling really bad, and the motor was completely covered to the point it couldn't breathe. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all that. So it's got a messed up power knob on it, if I could turn it with a pair of pliers or whatever. They don't make them like this anymore. Not at all. 3-speed super electric. When this thing's on high, it can move some air. It's on low right now, but yeah, I collect old fans. For any of y'all who might have watched some of my vintage fans videos I've done in the past, so we got quite a collection going on here. So I even have a homemade one I'll show y'all here in a second. I took apart one of them humidifiers you put in your house, and my dad had it out in his shop, and I took it all apart and took the fan out of it, and I wired it up to a power cord. I just hooked it up, taped all this wire nuts. I got these wires here. Check this out. It goes over here to the side of this box right there is a thumbtack. And that just holds the fan so it doesn't fall over. See, watch. There's a front view of it. It's not the greatest view, but this little thing moves a lot of air when it's on, but it turns backwards, so we hang it in our window with this sometimes. I got little hooks put in right up there. The fan will just sit there and hang in the window if we open it and pull in the nice cool air outside. Yep. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you all enjoyed the video. We have more food reviews coming real soon. I just haven't been out and about to pick up any new products to review on the channel. We're probably going to have some cooking videos hopefully coming up. And I want to thank everybody who's been watching our videos and visiting our channel and everything, and it helped us to achieve enough views and minutes and subscriber base to have monetization back on our channel. We just got it back here like 4 days ago. YouTube sent us a notice, and it's I couldn't believe it. I'm just so overwhelmed and so humbled. I thank every one of y'all for sticking with us through the years and watching all our videos and leaving comments and just being great people. Everybody, I'm so thankful to all y'all who have helped our channel to grow over the years. A huge thank you from Rachel and myself. All right, that's about all I wanted to put in this video here. Let everybody kind of know what's going on with our channel and everything like that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please check out our playlist. We have many more videos like this. And everybody have a great, safe day out there, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Bye-bye.